So 2 weeks ago, I went out and picked up this 95 Eagle Summit. It's not the all-wheel drive one, it's the DL model, and it won't start, so I'm gonna push it in the garage. Alright, so here's the Summit in the garage. It's got the 4G64 engine. It's kind of dark. Built by Nick Horzinski, which is actually my welder. I really didn't want this, but friend Nick kept insisting on me taking it. So it just delays this more. So what I've found so far is the fuel pump's not getting any pressure. Nothing, it won't even turn on. So right now I'm waiting on a fuel pump, and hopefully that'll fix it. Get it running and see what happens. Let's see it back. It's all filthy. It's been sitting for a long time. Interior needs put back together. It's a 5-speed. She's got potential. Over here, custom made by Nick. Sliding door. Again, this is a Summit. Oh, it was an LX, not a DL. Oops. Lots of room for activities back here. Well, without the back seat. I gotta take this out actually so I can get to the fuel pump. I was trying to find information on how to get it, and everyone kept saying drop the tank, but I want to peel that carpet and see if there's a panel here in this area. I really don't want to drop the tank for a fuel pump, but if I have to, I have to. So here's a better look of the Eagle Summit. Here's the engine. 4G64. Still haven't heard it run. Now the fuel pump didn't come in today, so I'll be putting that in and hopefully have it running today. So I went ahead and removed the bolts for this seat bracket here so it can be out of the way and I can pull the carpet back, and also this plastic piece which is held by 3 screws. And then I'm gonna peel this carpet back, and then the fuel pump should be here. This little panel here. Like I said, I really didn't want to drop the fuel tank, so it better be under there. And that's what it looks like with the panel off. It's just held by 4 screws. I'm gonna blow all this out with the air hose and remove it. So this B-nut here was super tight to break loose, but I managed to break it loose. I did bend it a little bit, but I broke it loose luckily. Also, if you trace this line on the bottom around here, there's underneath, there's the other end where it connects to. See how I can spin it? Here, I'll just do it now. See how it's disconnected? I could let the hose drop, but if I pull it, see this end here? This is where it's got to be disconnected first. If you try spinning this, that's just going to snap right off because that's welded. But on this end, it's not welded and it'll spin free. So I'm going to go ahead and remove those nuts securing the fuel pump or fuel sending unit. I'm going to take them off. Hopefully they come off easy. I did spray some Croil. Oh yeah, those are 8 millimeters. At least on this 95 Eagle Summit. I don't know if they're all the same. Alright, the little nuts are removed. I'm gonna pull up on this. See what we got. Holy shit. Yep. How rusty that is. I'm gonna take this outside. Wow. Look at that fuel pump. Wow. That's crazy. Let's say this thing is about done. It's probably the original one. So there's a new fuel pump right there. This is gonna work. Maybe I'll hear it run shortly. Here's the stuff that came with the new pump. New hose, everything. Alright, so here's a new fuel pump installed on the sending unit. I cleaned it up with sandpaper. I wish I would have cleaned it up with a sandblaster. It would have been much better, much cleaner, but this will work for now. There's the old pump. Yuck. So I put the fuel pump back in, turned the key and she fired right up. I haven't even put new fuel in or fuel stabilizer or fuel injector cleaner. This makes me happy. I'm still waiting on the fuel filter. It's not here yet. Something's burning. Probably the paint. Smoking. I'll have to put the air filter back still. I took it off because I wanted to check out the fuel filter. It looked old, so I just ordered a new one. It's just not here yet. I gotta clean up my mess. Ooh, I should probably turn on my fan before I die in here with this carbon monoxide. Alright, here's another look at the engine running. It's running smooth. I'm holding the hood prop because I don't think this engine has balance shafts, and at idle there's more vibration. There's more vibration than usual. See? You can hear it now. There's the annoying hood prop. A brand new battery. Spark plug. Just the spark plug, not the wires. Shut up. What else? Change the fuel pump. These lights won't work. I haven't checked the fuse yet, so the headlights work. The interior needs put back together. The fuel filter came in. I just haven't put it in. Mitsubishi steering wheel on an Eagle. I believe this is the same thing as an Expo. Mitsubishi Expo. outside. I put the seats back in. Oh, there's some of the junk I threw in there. Vacuumed it a little bit. The carpet is not the cleanest. I like how these seats fold like that, and then they do this. I thought that was pretty cool. Oh, I need two hands. My friend's gonna be buying this, so he'll probably be the one putting it back together and sorting out all the little issues. I'm just looking at the mechanical point of view of this thing so he can get to work. So I put the Summit back in the garage. This is probably the last video or only video I make of it. My buddy's supposed to pick it up this week, so this is the last time I will probably see it, unless he pimps it out and makes it fast. Then I'll definitely want to record this thing again. But that's it for this car.